From time to time, you're going to need to check and clean the filter on the washing machine. They're usually found at the bottom. So on this machine, we'll open this flap, and then this black dial you would need to twist and pull out, and you might find hair grips or other small items that are clogging up the machine. I won't do it now because water comes out and you'll need to put either a towel or a very shallow container down to mop up any water that comes out. But when it does happen, you take the filter out and put it in hot soapy water, clear it down, and then put it back in. It's the tenant's responsibility to keep the washing machine clean, so you can get any number of products from the supermarket and do a short wash cycle. Just follow the instructions on the product and keep the appliance working and clean.